So today there's going to be another One UI 8 features on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is going to be related to Home Up, and I'm going to teach you how you should do it on your Samsung Galaxy phone. This is a Z Fold 6 and I just got a One UI 8 and there's a new features inside you should know. Subscribe and let's get started. First of all, if you want to customize, your everything, your home page, your app page, you need to use an app called Home Up. In order to find Home Up, you need to go into search for a good lock. You can see there's a good lock right there. We're gonna go in there and you need to go for the Home Up. So if I scroll down, right there, you can see Home Up, okay? You can see Home Up. When you go to the Home Up, this is Home Up. Basically, you can do any customizations, but today we're going to do it very, very simple first. So we're going to go into the home screen. You can see that, home screen. The only thing you need to turn on is, you're going to turn this on, first of all, and then you need to turn this on. Use setting dialog on the home screen. You need to turn this on. Okay, this is a very useful feature I'm going to show you right now. So once you turn this on, we're going to go outside, and then this is the home page, this is the app page. We're going to go to the home page first, all right? And you just hold anywhere where the space is. You see there's a Home Up at the bottom right down here. We're going to go into Home Up. Once we go to Home Up, you see there's few options right here. And I'm going to just show you what are the important features, okay? I'm not going to show you everything, but the important features. First of all, you want to loop pages. Basically, you just keep scrolling like this. There's no ending. Very simple, right? So if you want to do that, make sure you turn that on. Secondly is, you want to go into the app icon and you want to say what is the size of your icon, show the label of item label on the app screen, things like that. If you want all those, you make sure you turn those on. If those are very, very important to you. All right, so make sure that you turn this on, because you can see at the top there, I don't know if you can see it, the label will be gone if you do not have the name. Okay, so you can see the word is gone if I turn this off. So if those are important to you, make sure you turn those on. And then the size of your icon. Everything is just like a shortcut. You don't have to go into the app. You don't have to go into the good lock to change every single time. You just need to change from outside, and then that's it. Now we're going to go into the second features. The second features is actually the recent button. And this is how it looks like right now. You can see that, right? Looks pretty cool, whatever, right? Now, if you don't like the style, you go to the top button right there, and then there's like 3 dots. We're gonna go into the 3 dot. And you can see there's a Home Up as well too. Once you go to the Home Up, you go to the bottom, you can see the layout type. You can go grid, you can see that, it changes. And then if you want to go vertical list, if you want to slim, you want to go tiles, you can do whatever you want just by changing through here. And then you can go for the mini mode, which is down there. You can see that it's already mini mode. Run at the center, so whatever the app is running right now, they will be at the center of the list. App label, you can see that there's a label at the top. I'm going to show it to you. See that label? And then the search bar. Okay, the search bar at the top there. And then that's it. So this is so much simpler because I don't have to go back and forth. I can just do everything on one go. So let's just say I want to do a slim, right? Or maybe grid. It would be much easier. I don't want a mini mode. I want to be the normal mode. And then this is it, right? Very simple, easy to navigate. So the final features I would like to show you is actually in the app, okay, app drawers. So you will be at the bottom where the search bar is, you see there's a 3 dot. And now you want to go to the Home Up. When you go to the Home Up, you can see you want horizontal scroll or you want the vertical scroll. So I'm going to show you right now. If I want horizontal scroll, you just check this. Now you will be like this. okay, you scroll like this. Back to normal. Because the One UI 8 right now is vertical, not horizontal. And you can actually tell them how many apps do you want, okay? At the bottom there, you tell them that how many apps do you want on one page, okay? So if you want smaller, you can do 4. You can see there's only 4 apps across, and then 5 across and 4 at the up and down, okay? Found the access, whatever, okay? And then loop page. But if you do not want that, you want to try something new, turn that off, and now it will become vertical. Now you just tell them how many rows do you want for the app. Pretty cool, huh? So this is a brand new features on your One UI 8 on the good lock, and then inside the good lock you need to change to download the app called Home Up. And this is it. Please subscribe my channel and share this video. And I think this is very useful if you care about the appearance for your phone. All right? And then I will see you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.